In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a password manager with 1password. In just 5 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started securely and effectively managing your online credentials. Let's dive in. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to 1password's website. Once you arrive there, you'll find a host of resources and information about their service. Take a moment to explore if you're interested. But for now, the goal is to get logged in if you already have an account. For those who are just getting started, creating an account is straightforward and they guide you through the process. Next, go ahead and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Remember, the security of your password manager starts with a strong master password, so ensure it's both memorable and unique. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the 1password homepage. Here you'll find an overview of your saved items and feel free to take in the layout. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but rest assured, it's intuitively organized. The key feature you'll use most often here is likely the Vaults system, a cornerstone of organizing your digital life securely. Vaults are essentially folders where you can group items together. This is particularly useful if you want to separate work and personal items. To create or manage vaults, simply head to the Vaults tab or the plus icon, depending on whether you're looking to add something new or organize existing items. Now, although 1password is primarily a password manager, it can also store so much more than just passwords. It's a secure solution for storing sensitive information like security questions, software licenses, and even important documents. To add new items, simply access the relevant section like Passwords, Documents, or Notes, and follow the prompts to input your information. Each type of data has its own format to ensure clarity and security. So explore the different kinds of information you can store. And just like that, you are now set up with 1password, ready to manage your digital life more efficiently. Remember, the key to effective use is consistent updates and organization. Make it a habit to add new information as soon as you get it, and review your passwords regularly to ensure they remain secure. That's all for today's quick guide on using 1password. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore more advanced features on their website, or reach out for support if you have any lingering questions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!